Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to log in and reset your academic dating account password. Sometimes you might forget your password. If you have forgot your password, don't worry, it can be reset. To reset your academic dating account password, first click on browser, go to academicdating.com, academicdating.net. Click on login shown on the top right side of your screen. Enter your username and password. After typing your username and password, click on login. To reset your password, click on forgotten password. Enter your email, first name, surname, birthday, date format. Click on send password. Academic Dating has sent you a password reset link. Check your email for the link. Click on the email. Academic Dating has sent you your password. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.